Hey guys, welcome to Texture Tutorials. So, this is going to be a Reddit tutorial, and you're going to be learning about the basics of Reddit. Now, I want you guys to treat Reddit as sort of like an informational, social media-esque type platform, because that's exactly what it is. Just continue with Google or with your phone number to register, and yeah, just basically you can follow your favorite celebrities here, like Q&A, games, exactly like social media. And it's actually under Meta as well, so advertise, you could use that as well. So all the basic tools that you have on your usual social media, you could get here on Reddit. So that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.